Have you ever wondered what makes up the tiniest things in the universe? The things so small that they are invisible to the naked eye, like smaller than atoms tiny? Atoms themselves are already incredibly small, but there's a whole world even smaller than that. That's where quantum physics comes in. It explores the behavior and interactions of particles at the quantum level. It's like a secret code that unlocks the mysteries of these incredibly small particles. Scientists use complex equations and experiments to understand this hidden world. Atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, like how Lego bricks make up cool structures. But what makes up the atoms themselves? Atoms are made up of even tinier particles, like electrons, protons, and neutrons. And these particles are governed by the rules of quantum physics. These tiny particles behave in strange and wonderful ways that regular physics can't explain. They can be in multiple places at once or even teleport. That's where quantum physics comes in. It provides a framework to understand these bizarre behaviors. It's a whole new set of rules that govern the behavior of these tiny particles. These rules are different from the ones that govern our everyday world. It's like discovering a hidden world with its own set of laws. Quantum physics opens up a realm of possibilities and mysteries waiting to be explored. One of the most mind-boggling things about quantum physics is that these tiny particles can act like both waves and particles. This dual nature is known as wave-particle duality. Imagine going to the beach and seeing waves crashing on the shore. These waves are continuous and spread out over a large area. Now imagine those waves suddenly turning into tiny drops of water. Each drop is like a particle, distinct and separate from the others. That's kind of what's happening in the quantum world. Particles like electrons and photons can behave like waves, spreading out and interfering with each other. Think of it like playing hide and seek. When you look for your friend, they could be hiding in one specific spot. If your friend is hiding, they're either behind the curtain or under the bed, right? You expect them to be in one place or the other, not in the quantum world. Here, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. A quantum particle is like a friend who's both behind the curtain and under the bed at the same time until you find them. This strange behavior is what makes quantum physics so fascinating and mysterious. This being in two places at once idea is called superposition. It's like a superpower that quantum particles have. Imagine a spinning coin. It's both heads and tails at the same time until it falls flat. That's superposition in action. One famous example of this is Schrödinger's cat. It's a thought experiment where a cat in a box is both alive and dead at the same time until we open the box to check. It sounds crazy, but that's the magic of quantum physics. Now hold on tight because it gets even weirder. We're diving into the strange and fascinating world of quantum physics. Imagine you have two magic gloves. These aren't just any gloves. They have a special connection that defies the laws of classical physics. If you wear one glove on your right hand and send the other glove to your friend far away, it doesn't matter if they're in another room or on the other side of the world. As soon as you touch something with your glove, an amazing thing happens. Your friend will instantly feel it on their glove too. It's as if the gloves are communicating with each other in real time. That's kind of what quantum entanglement is like. It's a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for decades. It's like these particles have an invisible connection, a bond that transcends space and time, and they can communicate with each other instantly, faster than the speed of light. No matter how far apart they are, whether it's a few meters or light years away, the connection remains unbroken. It's like they have their own secret language, a mysterious code that only they understand. This is the magic of quantum entanglement.